Hello everybody, good afternoon. Nick and I got to this beautiful campsite this morning. Actually, it feels like a long time ago. We got here early this morning and I spent the entire day basically like laying on this blanket or sitting in the camp chair reading a book in the sunshine, and I was super relaxed. Like I had nothing to do and nowhere to be, and just felt really good. So now we are getting ready to make some dinner. I wanted to show you guys what I got going on. I'm actually testing a kebab recipe for the blog, so hopefully it goes well. And I wanted to cook some corn. So we've rigged up this little bag of corn here. So this is like full of water and it has a couple ears of corn, and I just wanted to put them on the grill in the husk. It's so good when you cook it like that, but you kind of need to soak it for like, I don't know, 30 minutes or so in the husk so it doesn't burn, and then also has like the moisture to steam the corn. So that's what we rigged up. And got a little fire going here. There's Nick. Oh, just look at this view. For the kebabs, I have some chicken here that I made a marinade at home, and it's just been in here for a bit. And this is a cilantro lime marinade, and then I'm gonna do some zucchini, red onion, and pineapple in the kebabs. So I think it's gonna be really good. The corn is thoroughly soaked, so we're gonna throw this on the grill now. And then also soaking in this bag were the kebab sticks so that they don't burn. Here are the lovely assembled kebabs. It's definitely easier to do this at home. Like, since I was at home this morning, I should have just done this, but I didn't. I have to say, this is like one of my favorite things ever. It's just having a super relaxing day at camp, completely disconnected from just social media and emails and work, and just being out in the sunshine, cooking good food, relaxing, the sound of the river down there and the birds. It's just the best. I mean, look at this view. I wish I could just pull you into the video. The kebabs are done. Look how gorgeous these look. Doesn't need any butter and salt. It's delicious.
I made an old man. I said, tell me your story.
There's no one else around. The birds are chirping.
Took out an old pen.
It's gonna be a good day.
And wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got.
So when I started this hike, I wanted to swim in the lake when we got here. Do like a plunge in the cold water. I don't know. There's a lot of snow here. It's a little windy. I guess I could probably come up with like 1,000 excuses of why that's not a good idea. I'm gonna think about it. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm nervous. Yes! Sucks every time you're like doing it for that instant, but you just feel so good after, you know? We're back from the hike and I have just a cold seltzer water from the cooler, and this is just like one of my favorite things to drink after a hot hike. It's so refreshing. And we're just having some snacks, gonna read a little bit before dinner and hang out. For our little post-hike picnic here, we have some hummus and carrots and then some salami and cheese and chips and salsa. Yes. We are prepping dinner, and for tonight we just kept it really, really simple with a totally classic camping dinner, foil packet meals. So this one is mine here. It just has ground beef and then a bunch of veggies, some fennel, salt, and pepper. Super, super simple. I have a video about how to make these with a bunch of recipes and resources for you, so I'll link to that in the description below. They're just super simple, and if you're new to camping and new to camp cooking, these are the meal that I would start with because they're just really hard to mess up. Like, even if you overcook them, they're still usually really good. So I will link to that stuff in the description below, but that's what we're doing. It's cold or nice and hot. Ooh, yeah. This is what it looks like when it's all done. It's so good. And then I have a little bit of ketchup. You can put hot sauce, sour cream, like whatever you want to bring to top it with, and that is it.
Is it recording? It is.
It is recording. Nick and I have a constant miscommunication about what is recording and what is not recording. You good at scenery? So I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me at camp the past couple days and just seeing what a day in the life camping is like. I felt super, super relaxed. It's one of the reasons that I really love camping, is it just gives me a break, time to recover from burnout and just like a reset. When I'm at home, I feel like a lot of times I just need to be doing something productive all the time. And like yesterday, I just sat in a camp chair and read a book for hours, and I can't remember the last time I did that. So it just felt really, really nice and relaxing. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for new videos every single week, and I hope you have an awesome day. Peace.